Hi, this is Pandi from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to introduce a new product, RGB LCD in Tenet stores. This is the RGB 16x2 character display. This is quite similar to your normal 16x2 character display. The only difference is in the normal display you will be getting a single color as your backlight. Here you will be having option for three colors. You can go for red or green or blue depending upon the connection. So this is the lead for red color, and this is the lead for green color, and this is the lead for blue color. So here the connection is given in such a way that it is a common anode type. So if I want to glow red color, I just need to ground this pin. If I want to glow green color, then I need to connect this pin. So if you want to have a mixture of color also, it is possible by using a PWM technique. So through PWM we can mix those colors and we can get different colors like pink, gray and so on. Let's have a demo of this RGB LCD 16x2 character LCD interface with Arduino. Here is the demo. Here we have interfaced this LCD with Arduino. The connections are quite similar to your normal 16x2 character LCD. Here we have written a code in such a way that it will display Tenet RGB LCD in the first row and the mixture of R, G and blue in the second row. The only difference between the normal 16x2 character LCD and this RGB character LCD is here we need to connect these three different pins. So to choose three different colors. If you want red color, then we need to connect this one. If you want green, middle one. If you want blue, and the last one. Here we have written a code in such a way that these three pins are connected to the PWM pins. So by changing the value, I am just mixing these colors to get different colors. Here I have used 200 ohm resistor for red and 100 ohm resistor for blue and 100 ohm resistor for green. These connections are quite similar to a normal RGB common anode type. If you have any doubts how to connect this Arduino with LCD, then you can go to our website www.tenetech.com, then to company blogs. There you can find Comet, then you can find tutorials, then you can find interfacing with hardware. There you can see how to interface this Arduino with LCD. What kind of application we can create with the help of this LCD? For example, we can interface a temperature sensor and this LCD with your controller, and depending upon the temperature value we can change the color of the backlight. Or else you can interface a potentiometer and you can print the value of the potentiometer in this LCD, as well as you can change the color of this LCD. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more information or if you want to buy this product, just visit our website www.tenetech.com. Thank you.